Alright, well, we got our gas tank off. We can see our engine. And got a lot more space now. Starting to make a pile of parts. And this gas tank was very rusty inside. I'm not entirely sure if that petcock right there is gonna work. Coming apart. That's all I've got today. It's about to rain pretty hard, but as you can see, I've got all the harness off. The start button with the kill switch wires are over here. These are just brake light wires. On this side, you've got your headlight controls, high, low, and your turn signal controls and horn, and then your other brake light. So that kind of cleans it up front. I've got the coil off of the engine, and I've got the wiring diagrams for all of these things, so I'm going to be able to figure out what they are if any of them aren't working. Like I said, something somewhere is shorted because when I hooked the battery up to it, it wasn't working at all, and I'm sure it's in this mess that I've got right here. This is our harness. I know there's stuff right here, but this is our wiring harness. So I'm gonna have to clean it up and fix it, but that'll be for another time. So thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll keep on filming as soon as we get another chance.